UN's World Tourism Organization bans Russia. As part of its inaugural General Assembly on Wednesday, the United Nations agency announced that the World Tourism Organization has passed a resolution suspending Russia over its continuing invasion of Ukraine. World Tourism Organization, which promotes and supports global tourism via its activities, has received an overwhelming two-thirds majority in its General Assembly decision to suspend its activities, according to a press release. Russia will no longer be able to receive technical support, attend meetings or events, propose candidates for statutory bodies, vote in UNWTO elections, or nominate a UNWTO Secretary-General. The majority vote delivered a strong message to Russia and the rest of the world, according to the agency's Secretary-General, Zurab Pololikashvili. A foundation of peace and international brotherhood, Pololikashvili argued that UNWTO members must respect these ideals or face the repercussions of their actions. Russian activities are indefensible and opposed to the core ideals of the United Nations World Trade Organization and international governance, according to the UNWTO's Executive Board. In a statement issued on Thursday, Ukrainian Foreign Minister Dmytro Kuleba praised the decision and expressed his appreciation to all who had supported it. Russian membership in the United Nations World Trade Organization, UNWTO, has been terminated during the first extraordinary session of its General Assembly. I'm grateful to everyone who helped make this possible. The Hague should be the exclusive destination for Russian war criminals. As the conflict in Ukraine continues, Russia's isolation will continue to worsen, Kuleba acknowledged this. Kuleba and other Ukrainian officials accused Russia of attacking Kyiv with missiles when the UN Secretary-General and others were in town, according to The Hill, which first reported the situation this past week.